Hey folks, welcome back. My name is Krishna, and here's a super quick tutorial for you that you can practice and just blow your friends' minds. We're going to talk about how you can make some psychedelic looking eyes, just like the ones that I've made here for this gig poster. So let's go ahead and start off by just making some type of a weird shape that has some curves. You can just have some curves and straights, something like this. I'm going to now hit Command J to make a copy. I'll hit Command T, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this pivot point that appears over here and I'll just move it down slightly below the shape. Then what I'll do is I'll just rotate the copy ever so slightly, like so. I'll hit Enter. Now if I hold down Shift, Command, Option T a bunch of times, it's going to go ahead and create this really elaborate looking, almost spirograph type shape. I'm going to merge all of the layers together, and I'm using Command E to go ahead and do that, selecting multiple layers at a time. And then just to go ahead and finish the effect off, what I'd like to do is I'd like to make a copy of this shape, hit Command T, and just add a subtle rotation, and that just gives you even more details. So super fast technique. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. As always, I welcome your ideas for upcoming tutorials. What do you want me to talk about in an upcoming video? Drop it in the comments below, and if you made it this far, just send me a little leprechaun emoji if one exists. Thanks so much for watching. See you soon.